Yes, lang na. Kumakain si Ana ng fried rice. Good morning mga geng. Ayan, ang aking dalaga. Kanina pa yan, likot-likot. Napagalitan ko si Ana kanina. Kala mo naman naiintindihan niya ako. Anyways, ang ganda ng ating mga halaman dyan. Tinransfer ko sila dito. Ito, medyo, yung nilaya ba? Nalaya. Medyo, yung bulak. Malaki na sila. Ito yung anniversary gift ng aking in-laws. Ito yung bigay ng aking sister-in-law. Ito, bigay ni Ate Lynn. Nung birthday ko. Ito naman, galing sa parents ni Ruth. And ito galing kay Ate Mel. Super nice nila. Ako na, yesterday, or no, sa previous vlog natin, yung lavender na tinanim ko doon sa front namin. And by February to April, mamumulaklak yung mga seedling na nilagay ko, na tinanim ko na dito. Susunduin kami ng lolo niya. Nag-aabang siya. No, mama lang, mama. Mama. Putso. Lekker? Pila na ganito edad ni Ana? Niyab. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Uy, Dutch na po, Dutch na po. 1, 2, 3, o manilihok. 4, 5. Yay! Pila ito edad ni mo? Pila edad ni mo? How old is Ana? How old is Ana? How old is Ana? How old is Ana? Yay! Wow, lekker. Ano na po ngayon? 9:40. 9:40 ng umaga. So, susunduin na kami. And punta kami sa bahay ng in-laws. Ang mama, wala pa pong makeup. So, ang mama, wala pang makeup, guys. Tulungan ko na namang maglinis yung lolo ni Ana doon sa sports facility. And then after that, chill kami sa bahay nila. Kasi may friend yung mama ni Ruth na gusto makita si Ana. So, punta kami doon. Hindi uuwi si Ruth sa lunch today because it's Friday. And normally sa Friday, he eats out with his colegas or colleagues. Banana, drink your water. Uy, nisayaw. Uy! Uy, nagkuradang mani, oy. Prost! Oh, pina-cheers pa. Hey! Prost! Hey! Cheers! May habuganin na ron na. I-ready ko lang si Ana, guys. And then, punta na kami. Alis na kami. So, transfer ko muna sila, guys, sa loob o dito sa table namin kasi para maarawan sila ba. Sayang naman ang araw. Si Ana, nag-ano pa? Extra rice. Extra rice. Hindi pa kasi, wala pa dito yung lolo niya. Rice muna ang ating little madam, no? Hi, Ana. Hi, Ana. Kumusta pala kayong lahat, mga geng? Gusto ko i-shoutout si Mary Grace Tabal Nakayama sa Japan. Shinare niya yung story. Shinare niya sa story niya sa Facebook yung, yung a part sa sa vlog namin where Ana looked like she was faking her laugh. Parang plastic yung tawa ba. Salamat, idol, sa pag-share. And I hope you're doing fine or you're doing well there in Japan. Makamingaw ang Japan. Super nice. Netherlands reminds me so much of Japan, I think. I told Ruth before when I just got here. Kani? Rice? You still have rice? Nag-pack ako ng rice, guys, in case ayaw niyo kumain dun sa lolo niya. May dala kaming rice para hindi maggutom ang bata. Rice is life kasi si Ana eh. Wow. Hindi po siya, may mga pinipili siyang vegetables. So, kung ayaw niyang kainin yung mga vegetables, hinahalo ko sa sa rice or sa pancake niya. Not much. Not that much. Kana, anbayad siya. Okay. Otso! Opa. Nangita na siyang opa. Mama. Ne? Ne! Opa. What's opa now? Uto. Na opa! Ana? Who is that? Who is that? Alala, kisa na lang. Alala.
Hallo meisje. Goedemorgen. Oeh. That's a lot of rice.
Uy, that's your lunch. Uy.
She really...
Now she's copying you. Rice, eat that. What dance is that, Anna?
Same as Anna. With her hands. Don't smash it in your...
your rice, huh? B, give me the rice, B. Give Mama the rice, B. B, give Mama the rice.
No way, Mama. No. Stay off my rice.
Nee, dankjewel. Nee. There's nothing on it. Oh, it's just one grain.
Is it fallen? She's looking there.
Nee.
No.
Net al doen.
Ja, ik heb het doen. Weet niet.
Nee, dat hoort dat weer, Anna. Ja. Ja, goed zo. Ja.
Zo.
Oh. Hey, good so.
Good so.
No, Anna. She wants to follow Senna.
Ja.
Cookie. Okay. Wow, lekker. Nou. Nee, dankjewel.
Maar je gaat doekjes genoeg dan. Want anders heb ik nog geen meer hebben.
Ik heb erbij, daar nog. En wij
Ja.
zijn kleine.
She gave me one.
Kom.
Bye.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, bahay na ako and natutulog na si Ana and may delivery tayo. Char, may in-order kasi akong plates, borges for Ana. Plates for Ana, yung suction. Kasi nga, kumakain naman si Ana with plates, pero, o yung mga bowl. Kaso, nilalaro niya. So, gusto ko yung suction. Sana bumili ako nito nung sobrang, pa siya ba? Sobrang baby pa siya. Let's open it. Guys, pasensyaan nyo na yung aking pagmumuka. Kasi, kakauwi ko lang. Naglinis kami ng aking father-in-law. Tinutulungan ko yung in-laws ko na maglinis ng school. Tsaka yung sa sports facility. Binabayaran po nila ako, no? Hindi po, libre. Kaya, ako minsan. Nakaka-ipon-ipon. Charing. Oh, my. Oh, it's so cute. Ang cute-cute naman. Okay, this one's working well. Okay. Oh, hutso. Hutso. Oh. Oh. Oh, hutso. Very good. So, ayan. Ba't di ko naisip kaagad to? Nakita ko kasi sa ano, saan ba ako nakakita nun? Sa vlog ni Chris Uy ba yun? Si Chris Uy yata yun, yung sikat na vlogger sa Cebu. Si Chris Uy. And then parang napansin ko din kay Race, para kay Baby Ayla. Parang ito din, same din ito ng, hindi ko sure no kung same ba yung ano namin, ito. Pero ito, yung gusto ko talaga yung bowl. Kasi si Ana po, mahilig sa soup. So, kikilig ang mama. Kinikilig naman ang mama. So, pasup-sup na ang anak ko. Bala na siya. Sao niya tuwang-tuwang, ani. Hindi na dyan ni makuhaan. Akong badlong iyang pa. Tagalog, nagbisaya na. I told Ruth not to put food on this space anymore, the high chair. So, she gets used to using her plates and also her bowls. I'm excited to try these out with Anna later. So, hugasan muna natin ang mabuti ito. And then tonight, she can already use it. Yeah. So, ano po, Anna's already sleeping and normally she sleeps for 3 hours. She naps for 3 hours during the day. So, I have like 2 hours and a half na mag-relax. So, mag-relax talaga ako. May mga kailangan akong linisin but I will clean them when Anna's awake. So, for now, i-enjoy ko muna yung time. And yeah, later, Anna and I will play in the tub. Magbe-bathe kami later. Yeah, Mama and Anna time. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with my purchase. Salamat! I paid, how much did I pay? I paid, including the shipping. Hala. It says here that it's only 15 euro. But I actually paid almost 30 euro. Including na siguro ng shipping. Okay. Mahal pala ng shipping ko, oy. But, anyways, andito na to. Nabayaran ko na. So, wala na tayong magagawa. Andito na eh. I saw on Hami Mommy's vlog, then every time she cleans her wooden kitchen stuff, ginagamit niya is, ano ba yun? Citric acid ba yun? Mixed with water or vinegar. Ano ba yun? Vinegar. So, tama ba sinabi ko? Vinegar mixed with a little bit of, mixed with water. Yung gagamitin ko na lang nito sa paglinis, baking soda with water. Yeah, yun na lang. Yeah, that's it. I'm pretty happy with it. Hi guys, 5:30 na and na kami. Naligo na kami ni Ana. Sabay kami naligo kanina. Here's my lab. Hindi ko na muna siya pinapanood ng kanyang mga shows para maglaro siya. Naglaro lang siya doon, nag-read siya doon. Yeah, you wanna talk to them? Yeah? So, it's already 5:30. So, anytime soon, andito na yung kanyang papa. And, what's that? B, get your socks there, B. Katong naikuan para di ka ma-slide. No, wala. Walang TV. No TV. Papa is house. Ako, Papa. Go. Kawawa naman to, uy. The other one, B. Hi. So, ay natin to sa kanya. Non-slip po ito. Kasi kailangan niya talagang mag-medyas kasi or mag-pantofels, yung pangbahay. Kasi nga malamig. Yung heater namin wala sa sahig. Alam nyo, nakita nyo naman yung nasa gilid ba. Oh, yeah. And then we're just gonna wait for Papa. Aww. Where's Mama's lab now? Baby, asa to be? A is for apple. Kita sila. Flying kiss. Mwah! Flying kiss. Mwah! Hello, si Ona man. You're looking at yourself, ha? Flying kiss na. Ay, okay. Pakita sila sa agay. Nabagyot ang kigwa. Uy, nagbasa akong anak eh. Apple. Go to the door. Go to the door. Go. Go. Oh.
Ta-ta!
Hey.
Yeah.
Hi, Papa. Hallo.
Hallo de mama. Kijk eens mama.
Hi.
Weekend hè?
Yan, gusto umiiyak si Ana kasi gusto niya ng sushi. Yan ang ating sushi. Ruth will have a bite too.
Misschien.
Yeah, you can try the keep one. Let's keep. And Anna's having a snack. Try natin if Anna wants. Pinick up lang namin. Dito lang din sa amin malapit sa sa center. Korting ngayon eh. Instead na 23 euro, na lang, 40. You wanna try this? Gotta be. Try them. You can't eat sushi without wasabi. This is only sushi roll po siya, no?
That was the restaurant where we supposed to go with the colleagues. Because they want sushi. Yeah, it's not going through now. So.
Oh yeah. Because only... Why not?
After work, it's 6 o'clock and they're gonna close at 7.
You have to eat quick.
Yeah.
It's weird with mayo, but we'll see.
What's the mayo? Yeah, that's a weird combination.
It's really good.
Yeah?
Spicy mayo. No, when we went to Belgium, you had upset me too.
Yeah, but that was not sick.
Wow.
Kusje?
Papa lang.
Kusje, Anna?
Kusje, Papa?
Nee?
So, i-close na namin ang vlog. 3 na lang natira sa sushi ko. Ana!
Oh!
Hello, uy. Ana. Hey, Mama! Look at Mama! Hey! Doy na, Anabi. So, yun lang yung vlog natin for today. Salamat for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, giefamvlogs. Where are you, Ana? Doy, say bye-bye na, Ana. Doy! Ana, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Papa.
Babush!
Mamush. Babush. Mush-mush, babush.
In ieder geval over 3 weken. 3 december